Hey guys, I'm really excited because we have just arrived at our new accommodation in Sidemen in east of Bali, and I really want to show you how it looks like because it's so beautiful and we have such an amazing view. This one on booking was 9.7. I think it's the highest score we've ever been to an accommodation so far. And the price for this is around 15-16 euros per night with breakfast included. And it's really worth it. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, so I will first start with the room and next I'll move to the garden. We have a very large room with a big bed. Here we have a desk with mirror. It doesn't have AC, but at this moment the weather is okay indoors. We have water, hot and cold. Here is the wardrobe part. And we also have a very big bathroom, and it's very clean here. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is as big as some rooms we've stayed in, so. And then we have here our own terrace. Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Alex is as excited as me.
Yes.
Actually, we already extended our stay for one more night.
Yeah, because it's absolutely amazing here.
Yes.
Amazing.
There we have a table where we will have breakfast. We also have a coffee table here and we just got our welcome drinks, coffee and tea. This is a small garden with a fountain and a temple. There's another temple. And here is the garden. What we see from our terrace. And actually, over there, you cannot see. I can see its tip, but you cannot see on the camera. It's Agung Volcano. Look, so the clouds went down and now you can see the tip of the volcano. It's so big and impressive, and I cannot wait to see it without those surrounding clouds. Looks really nice. Oh, crazy. We are staying just next to an active volcano. Because we like this place so much, I'm not sure if we will ever leave it. So we decided to have lunch here because we were starving, and we ordered from our host some noodles vegetarian with egg, and vegetarian curry with tempeh and rice and a juice.
Looking very, very
Yes,
good here
so hungry.
on our porch.
Poor.
Yeah, to stand to watch
Yeah.
the temple and everything.
Kids are playing in the rice fields.
Yeah, with kites.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Beautiful.
We decided to walk a bit after lunch to see the sunset in the middle of the rice fields. Maybe even chat with the kids a bit, because they are all out there playing with the kites, and the light is really nice at this moment. It got a bit chillier, so it's not as hot. So let's see how it is. The farmers are working, the children are playing. Here we have one kite. There's another one. Simple country life. There's the volcano. So quiet. Another kite is getting ready. We met with the kids here. Hello, hello. And they want to see what's with the drone. They have kites, we have drone. Drone. Uh-oh, a lot of birds. Alex, look at the birds. Is it a good idea? Uh-oh.